Welcome back to the 1001 Quizzes channel for another fun quiz. I have selected 15 famous dishes from around the world to assess your culinary knowledge. You have 5 seconds to answer each question. Let's dive in. What is the country of origin for the classic dish ratatouille? A. Belgium. B. Canada. C. France. D. Italy. It's France. Ratatouille originates from the Provence region of France, and it's a vegetable stew made with eggplant, zucchini, bell peppers, onions, garlic, and tomatoes. Its name comes from the French word tuile, which means to toss, reflecting how the ingredients are mixed together in the dish. Which country is known for the popular dish sushi? A. China. B. Japan. C. South Korea. D. Thailand. It's Japan. Sushi originated in Southeast Asia around the 8th century, as a method to preserve fish by fermenting it with rice and salt. It evolved over time into the diverse culinary delight we know today, with the modern version of sushi originating in Japan. The word sushi actually refers to the rice used in the dish, not the fish. What country is famous for the dish goulash? A. Germany. B. Hungary. C. Poland. D. Russia. It's Hungary. Goulash is a traditional Hungarian stew made with meat, vegetables, and seasoned with paprika. It's a popular dish in Hungary, and is often served with bread or pasta. It was a favorite dish among herdsmen and shepherds due to its simple preparation over open fire. The Hungarian word gulyás, meaning herdsman or cattle drivers. Where does the dish Kung Pao chicken originate from? A. China. B. South Korea. C. Thailand. D. Vietnam. It's China. Kung Pao chicken is a traditional Chinese dish with a spicy and savory flavor. Originating from the Sichuan province in China, it is named after Ding Baojun, a Qing dynasty official known as Kung Pao. The dish typically includes chicken, peanuts, vegetables, and chili peppers stir-fried together. Which country is known for barba tea? A. Ethiopia. B. Nigeria. C. South Africa. D. Tanzania. It's South Africa. Barba tea is a spiced meat pie dish from South Africa that blends African, Asian and European influences. Ground meat is mixed with egg, milk, breadcrumbs, hay spices, fruits and nuts, then baked. The dish likely originated among slaves from Southeast Asia brought by the Dutch colonizers to the Cape in the 17th century. Which country is known for churrasco? A. Argentina. B. Brazil. C. Chile. D. Colombia. It's Brazil. Churrasco is a Brazilian barbecue style of cooking meat on a skewer over an open flame. It's a popular way to prepare and serve meat in Brazil, and it's often accompanied by side dishes like farofa, toasted cassava flour, black beans, and rice. Which country is known for baklava? A. Armenia. B. Egypt. C. Greece. D. Turkey. It's Turkey. Baklava is a rich, sweet pastry made with layers of phyllo dough, chopped nuts, and honey or syrup that all complement each other beautifully. Baklava emerged in the 8th century, and was perfected during the Ottoman Empire, which spread it through the region via their vast influence. Which country is known for the dish haggis? A. England. B. Ireland. C. Scotland. D. Wales. It's Scotland. Haggis is a traditional Scottish dish from the 15th century, made of sheep's heart, liver, and lungs mixed with onions, oatmeal, suet, and spices, encased in the animal's stomach. Served with neeps and tatties, mashed turnips and potatoes, haggis is a cherished Scottish delicacy for Burns night to honour poet Robert Burns. Where the dish butter chicken, also known as merg makhni, originated from. A. Afghanistan. B. India. C. Iran. D. Saudi Arabia. It's India. Merg makhni or butter chicken originated in the 1950s in Delhi, India, at the famous restaurant Moti Mahal. It is a rich and creamy curry made with boneless chicken marinated in yogurt and spices, then cooked in a tomato-based sauce that includes butter, cream, and various aromatic spices. Which country is known for pavlova? A. Canada. B. New Zealand. C. Poland. D. Russia. It's New Zealand. Pavlova, a dessert named after Russian ballerina Anna Pavlova in the 1920s, is a meringue-based treat. It boasts a crispy exterior and a light, airy interior. Typically enjoyed with whipped cream and fresh fruit, it symbolizes the elegance and delicacy of Pavlova's dancing. What country is famous for apple strudel? A. Austria. B. England. C. Germany. D. Switzerland. It's Austria. Apple strudel, or Apfelstrudel, is a traditional Austrian pastry made with a thin, flaky dough filled with apples, sugar, cinnamon, and raisins. The history of Apfelstrudel can be traced back to the 17th century in Austria, where it was a popular dish among the Habsburg court and aristocracy. Which country is famous for Schutpula? A. Germany. B. Netherlands. C. Poland. D. Sweden. It's Sweden. Schutpula are Swedish meatballs made from beef and pork. They are fried or baked and served with lingonberry sauce and potatoes. Meatballs originated as a dish of Turkish origin, it spreading to Europe in the 1300s. The Swedish version evolved in the 1700s into the light, refined Schutpula we know today. Where paella originated from? A. Italy. B. Mexico. C. Portugal. D. Spain. It's Spain. Paella is a that originated in the region of Valencia on the eastern coast of Spain. It is a rice-based dish that is typically cooked in a wide, shallow pan called a paella. The dish is known for its vibrant colors, bold flavors, and variety of ingredients depending on the regional variations. Which country is known for nasi goreng? A. Indonesia. B. Japan. C. Malaysia. D. Thailand. It's Indonesia. Nasi goreng is an Indonesian fried rice dish often served with sliced cucumbers, tomatoes, and fried shallots. The term nasi goreng literally means fried rice in Indonesian. It is believed that the dish was introduced to Indonesia by Chinese immigrants who settled in the region centuries ago. Which country is known for the dish poutine? A. Belgium. B. Canada. C. France. D. Ireland. It's Canada. Poutine is a Canadian dish originating from Quebec. It consists of fries topped with cheese curds and gravy. It is believed to have been created in the late 1950s in rural Quebec. The exact origin is debated, but it has become a popular comfort food in Canada and even in some parts of the United States. Thank you for taking our quiz and let us know your score in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.